In this video, I'll be showing you how you trim part of your videos you're trying to edit using the YouCut editor. Simple and easy. So you just open the video like this on the editing interface. And on here, you can see trim. You see the arrow on the screen, that's trim. Just tap on that. Good. So what you do is you drag the side of the video you want to trim. So in this case, I want to trim this section. Trimming means I want that part of the video alone. So I'm trimming this section. When I tap on this, you see all the other parts of the video is being cleared. Only the part I trimmed is going to be left remaining. Now let's come back here and we undo the trim, right? We tap on the trim again and you see cut. Cut means we want to remove some parts. You get me? So I can see I want all this part and then this part here, I want to cut it. You get me? So when I tap on the cut, you can see the other part has been cut. Now let's come back and let's do another one, which is another trim, which is the split. So split 2, you can just split the screen into 2, it's up to you. So with the split 2, you can split your script into 2. Yeah, so you just tap on this here and you tap on this here and you bring this one here and you tap on that one too as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.